start now. Let me show something crazy right now. Every time I make this type of video on my channel, it always gets views than my normal video. Not sometimes, not once, not twice, but almost every single time. And the only funny part is that if I create this video again and again, see, some of them are still in private, it still performs better than what my every other video. So this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I knew this video will go viral even before I posted it. Story time. So let's start from the beginning of this video. The first time I created this video, the topic was how to download YouTube videos to your phone, iPhone, Android, PC or gallery. See, let me tell you, something interesting happened. At first, YouTube did not allow me to post that video. YouTube did not allow me because I posted on my other channel and I barely even make the video go viral because at first this is what YouTube showed me. First time, second time, did you see it? But that made me realize some people that this idea itself is very strong. So I started to re-strategize. So I created the video, posted it again on that same channel. It did not still work again. Then I recreated it again, then I posted it again, and boom, the video started going viral. Let me show you the analysis of that video. This how to download YouTube video. See the analysis. So now the discovery. But the real question is, how did I even know this video would go viral in the first place? So here's what happened. I was going to YouTube as usual to look for video that I can post. Then I just saw a video from Dan the creator, this video. Then I click on his channel and I check his most popular video. And I was like, this video, and guess what I saw? A video familiar to the idea I was thinking about. That's when I was creating. So I did something very simple. This guy video gave me the idea of what I should create next. So I said, this is very easy to create now. Let me just create it. And while I was creating it, then I said, is that going to be enough? Then what again? And I wait. So I did something very simple again too. I went into YouTube search, and I typed the title. Then when I saw the results, everybody that did that video, they have gone viral. They have gotten views. They have gotten likes. They have gotten subscribers. They have gotten. So I need this video have viral potential. I'm getting new because every video that I did about this particular topic I have to download on YouTube, it has already gone viral. So I need this video. It's going to go viral. So I created it again, and I uploaded it, and it started performing very well. So that's how I need that video go viral. So social proof experiments. Moment. And something interesting happened later in the day. One of my viewers, Princess Chiamaka, one of his favorite YouTubers, this is her channel. I'll show you one of the side channel. She left a comment on my channel. Look at the comment. This comment made me realize something. This strategy actually works. So lesson/value. So here's what I learned from this particular videos. If you want idea for video that can perform better on your channels, go to your favorite YouTuber channel, click on their most popular video, study it. I did not say study their video, study how that video works. Then we create your own idea. Not that you repeat everything they see from A to Z. No. Study that video, they recreate the idea in your own way. Do you understand? Honest moment. See, I'll be honest with you. Some of my most popular videos are actually videos that I copy. Some of them are not even my idea. So I copy people's video to create video. Do you understand? To create my own video. And not just copy exactly, but I do watch their video to learn from what actually works from their video and what I will create it in my own way. Do you understand? So, ending. So if you are struggling to find video ideas that get you, stop guessing. Study what is already working on YouTube. Then recreate it better. Yes, and you start going viral. The video start getting visibility. And I hope you found this video helpful. And I hope you're able to learn from this video. Don't forget to check out my playlist. I'll see you in my next video. Hi, I'm Bolu Vibes. Bye bye.